Hi, I'm Alan Buohl with the National Slate Association. In this segment, we'll show you two methods to replace a broken slate. Replacing a broken slate properly is important to the service life of all slate roofs. Slate repairs are often done incorrectly and carelessly. A slate should never be face nailed and/or caulked in place. The first step is to remove the slate and nails to allow the new slate to be easily installed. Using a slate ripper, slide it under the broken slate and move it around until you've hooked one nail. Then strike the slate ripper handle with your hammer until you pull the nail free. Repeat on the other nail and remove the broken slate. There are several methods to secure a new slate in place. Today we're going to show two: the slate hook method and the nail and bib method. The slate hook method uses a manufactured copper or stainless steel wire. Lay the slate hook end at the location of the butt and mark the location of the nail end. Pre-drilling will make the installation much easier. Tap the nail end into the hole, then slide the new slate over the hook. Using the ripper, pull the slate down to engage the hook. To replace a broken slate with the bib method, slide a new slate into position. Secure the slate with a nail in the joint between the upper rows. Then make a bib that is an 8 by 3 inch piece of copper that has short cuts on both sides and is slightly bent. Push the bib up the joint until the nail is covered and the bib is 2 to 3 inches above the butt end of the upper course. I hope this helped you understand two ways to replace a broken slate.